Hey, I'm Eric from Stinger. We're thrilled to announce that we have a new full integration kit for the Horizon 12. Compatible with 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra and 2015 to 2019 heavy-duty trucks, it takes the 12.8-inch Horizon 12 screen and mounts it flat in the dash of these trucks, and it looks amazing. This kit is plug and play and compatible with every trim level of these trucks, yes, even Bose-equipped vehicles. It's going to add wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, 4 camera inputs, and lots of other amazing features. Let's head on down to the truck and check out these features in action. Here we see that 12.8-inch display looks right at home in the dash of our GM truck, thanks to our integration kit. The plastics have been designed to look just like the factory plastics. Even the volume knob looks and feels just like the factory knobs. This 12.8-inch display is IP65 rated, so it's dust and weather resistant. So if you use your truck for truck stuff, you don't have to worry about moisture or dust getting in and damaging that display. There's a widget section over here that has lots of cool gauges and things you can access. You can even tap this icon and send that to the main screen. There's gauges for days you just touch to select. There's performance gauges that show speed and tack, and even off-road information with your pitch and roll. Let's go ahead and hit the road and check out some of these features in action.
The vehicle information screen shows if our doors are open or closed. It also reports back tire pressure for each individual tire. We can even touch here to change the color of our truck. Horizon 12 is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto.
Where do you want to go?
Tampa International Airport.
Getting directions to Tampa International Airport.
Tons of useful gauges. We can simply touch the gauges to change them. You can store 2 sets of presets, so you can have towing gauges and normal everyday driving gauges. We have an Accessory Control app that allows you to control up to 4 accessories. Here we have a light bar, rock lights, air horn, and cargo lights. You can change the accessory name. You can change the accessory icon and how it behaves, whether it's a momentary switch or a toggle switch. The widget screen gives you access to many useful items. Vehicle information screen, gauges, again you can just tap here to change to a different gauge, pitch and roll gauges, direct access to the camera screen, so we can see the rear camera or the front camera while we're driving. This is super helpful for towing. A built-in HD radio tuner. We have ENLIGHT10 Control. Not only can you select colors here, but you can go into mode. We can select specific patterns for our lighting. The factory backup camera is retained and it looks awesome on this huge screen.
So you can control accessories, you can control audio, you can add wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto and tons of other amazing features with the Horizon 12 with the integrated kit for your 2014 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra and 2015 to 2019 HD trucks. For more information, visit stingersolutions.com.